Hey everybody, it's RV Lenny. Today we have a nice treat. We got a 2015 Entegra Cornerstone 45B like boy. It is a bath and a half. It does have a king bed. It has a 600 horsepower Cummins Diesel engine on a Spartan chassis. 29,000 miles. Onan 12,500 diesel generator with 700 hours. It does have Michelin tires that are dated 2020, so they're still within date and they look great. We got an outside refrigerator freezer. Got two slide out trays, storage there, and these are power. So these go in like this. You just hit the button right here, which is nice. We got shades, we got a bra for the front end, we got an extra carpet for the front. I think that's a dash mat. These solar shades right here are painted to match. Or the windows are, I'm sorry. These are windows. And they're painted with the scheme, which is great. Two full girard awnings. Got window awnings, power entry door awning. 600 horse Cummins. We will be doing the oil change on it. We service the engine and the generators here. We got a side radiator, 50 amp cord. It's power reel. It does have Aquahot. So you got a freshwater hose reel. And I think right here is the Aquahot and the power 50 amp cord reel. Yeah, it's power. Once again, these windows are painted, which is nice. You can't see it from the inside, but from the outside you can. Gorgeous bus, gorgeous. 3 ACs, this whole side rail up here, raised rail to match the double awnings on the other side, and they have LEDs up there, which is nice. This generator comes out on the slide. Outside television, outside radio. Really good condition. No checking, no dents, no scratches, no clear coat peeling. Let's walk inside. Love the color, love the interior leather. So this reclines, this reclines, this one reclines, that's storage, and that's storage. Central vac stuff is in there. These day-night shades are all power. That reclines, and obviously you see that they're swiveled. Which is really cool is this iPad. It says Entegra there. You run the slides out from here. You can start the generator from there. You can turn all your lights on and off. It's really cool. Fireplace, residential refrigerator, solid surface counters. You got an extension here for more counter space, which is nice. I love this frosted glass touch up here. And then when you open these, they all do that, which is nice. Got a convection microwave oven, induction cooktop. This is all electric motorhome. Got a dishwasher. This is really neat. Over here you got a spice rack, or dry goods you could say. And then on this side, it does the same thing. And then here as well. And when I tell you the quality of a 2015 is far more superior than the 2019s, 20s, 21s, 22s and up. All the tiles look great. No cracks in them. All the counters look great. Ceiling fixture looks great. All the upholstery looks really nice. There's no peeling. No cat scratches. Nothing crazy. No cigarette smell, no pet smells. Here's the half bath. Stackable washer and dryer right here. Very nice. The king bed, the master suite. Ceiling fan, which is awesome. I love a ceiling fan in the bedroom. Privacy door here to shut everybody off. And then you got a full-size mirror to get dressed. Touch panels for all your lights and everything. Back here's the secret safe. These are power day-night shades as well. Here's another privacy door to shut off the full bath in the back. Another full mirror to get dressed. Here's the closet back here, which is huge. Got the closet, the shoe rack. Got all your owner's manuals down there. It's all cedar lined. Factory pillows and stuff. We put brand new linens on everything that we buy and sell. So it's got brand new king comforter and all that good stuff. Really, really big shower. Look at this. Such a nice motorhome. Carpet looks good. There's a central vac system right there. 29,000 miles, 2015 Cornerstone 45B like boy. 600 horse Cummins. It's got all the bells and whistles. Give us a call, 832-492-1075. Check out topchoicerv.com or look up Top Choice RV on Facebook and Instagram. Thank y'all very much. Have a great day.